Hello my dear students, welcome back to BNC Academy, and in this video we are going to learn about Make in India. So what is it and why it is important, and how this particular Make in India initiative work, and why should you as an aspiring government service care about it, and at the same time what are the government plans included in it. We are going to discuss them in this video. Yes, let's get started. So the one and only initiative of Make in India is to build a stronger India, right? So imagine India as a giant factory. Right now, we often buy things from other countries, but what if we could make those things ourselves? That's the idea behind Make in India. So let's see why it is important. Okay, so yes. So here we can understand that jobs for people. When we make things in India, we create jobs for million people. Am I right? So to provide jobs for people, that is very important. And at the same time, coming to the second point, stronger economy. This helps our country's economy grow, making it stronger and more prosperous. And the third important thing that we need to understand, it is self-reliance. We won't have to depend on other countries for everything we need. Okay, so yes, let's move to how does Make in India work. The government has several plans to make it happen actually, but here are the most important three things. See, giving business a boost, that is incentives. The government gives money to businesses to start factories and create jobs. Okay, and at the same time improving roads and railways. They are building better roads, railways and ports to transport goods easily. And coming to the third one, simplifying taxes. See, the government has made taxes simpler for businesses to operate them smoothly. Okay, so these are the ways and how Make in India works. Okay, so let's move to why should we care. Yes, it's very important. It's something different coming from an ordinary person. Whenever we are comparing with a person, those who are aspiring for a government job like, or a service oriented job like UPSC, right? Definitely we should care about the initiatives taken by the Indian government for upliftment of the country. So let's understand why should you care. See, it's very important to understand the nation's goal. Understanding Make in India helps you understand the government's vision for India's future. At the same time, contributing to national development is another important thing. As a future government servant, you can contribute to the success of Make in India by implementing effective policies. Why I am saying you as a future government service? Why? Because the minute that you decided to appear for UPSC, you already became the servant of India, the servant of government, right? So you should be aware of all the policies that what our country is going to take initiative, right? Coming to the another thing, public service with a purpose. You can use your position to help India become self-reliant and prosperous as well. So by the way, you will be able to make our nation as a stronger nation. A strong India means a better future for all of us, right? So let's work together to make India a global manufacturing powerhouse. By understanding and supporting Make in India, we can contribute to a brighter future for ourselves and our country as well. So remember, my dear aspirants, my dear friends, every small step counts. Let's be a part of this journey and see you again with another interesting point or at least with a topic. Till the time, take care.